Hi guys, Elledani here. I am hosting my very first ever makeup collab. Even before I started my channel, I wanted to do educational videos on animals, as I am an exotic animal educator. And I also wanted to do a makeup look inspired by that species. I planned to do these for a really long time. I thought Vlogtober was the perfect time to kick it off. This is my makeup look based on the bold jumping spider. There are a ton of great channels on the collab that have also done a look based on the bold jumping spider, including Ragnar, who is doing his first ever makeup look for this collab. So Ragnar wears makeup. He wears a little bit of eyeliner, a little bit of eyeshadow, like shading type eyeshadow, but he has decided to do his first ever look, full look for this collab, and I'm so excited for him. It's not a huge collab. I don't think a lot of girls want to do makeup based on a spider. I thought it would go over a lot better than it did. Guess not. So this is my look. What you're seeing here, the spider, as you see, is very like black and silvery and gray. So I did a black and gray cut crease. The contour here is also sort of black and blue, and it's supposed to kind of emulate the chelicerae. I also did a black lip with a blue metallic bottom lip to emulate that as well. The eyeshadow and the lipstick are part of a brand new company that has not even launched yet, and I'm so excited to be working with this company. I'm not even allowed to release the brand yet. I can use the makeup for right now, but until they announce, I'm actually not even allowed to tell you who it is. I have on black and white mineral makeup, black lipstick, and then blue mineral powder on my lower lip. So I'm kind of creating some mystery and hype for this brand until they are ready to launch. I'm hoping to be able to release this company on the 31st for my very last Vlogtober video. I haven't got the okay yet, but it is a really amazing company. You're going to be blown away when I release it. They have such an amazing, beautiful, bold, dark, sultry. It is definitely unlike anything I've seen before. A lot of unique colors, very goddessy vibes, and I'm so excited to tell you about it and to tell you what my role is with this company. I really can't wait to tell you more. Super happy with how it turned out. I think it's perfect for October. Not that I'm not kind of October all year round. Definitely make sure you check out the playlist down below so you can see all of the other channels and the looks they created. Let's get into it.
Let me do my two-step. Let me do my two-step. why me do my two-step? Me do my two-step. Why me do my two-step? Me do my two-step.
And that is the completed look. Definitely tell me what you think. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you check out the other channels in the collab, like, subscribe, hit that bell to make sure you don't miss a thing, and I will see you next time.